Hey friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And what are we not going to get right today is we are not going to pay the price of success. We would never pay the price of being successful. We would never pay the price of being healthy. We will never pay the price for being rich. We actually never do. But we have always been said this. A very bad misunderstanding, I would say. We never pay the price for being successful. We never pay the price for being healthy. We never ever pay the price for having good results. But yes, we do pay the price when we are not successful. We do pay the price when we are not healthy. But what actually we do when we are successful? We enjoy the success. What do we do when we are healthy? We enjoy our health. What do we do when we are rich? We enjoy the money that we have. We do not pay the price for being rich, healthy, or successful. So what exactly is this all about? What am I trying to focus on? What am I trying to say exactly? We are paying the price when we are not successful, not healthy. And what does that mean? Have you seen a unsuccessful person always looking for discounts, always looking to save money? Yes, he has been doing that. A person who is rich, he never does that. A person who is successful, he never does that. He is not looking at saving money. He is okay with, he's comfortable with paying the price. Now that he is successful, price is nothing. Price is something that does not bother him. Price is bothering only somebody who has not been successful. That price could be in terms of money. That price could be in terms of suffering because of poor health, because of less money, because of not doing all I could have done, but I haven't done. It is always said that if you can do more, you should do more, and if you should be doing more, you must do more. What stops you from doing more? What stops you from becoming successful? What stops you from becoming rich? What stops you from becoming healthy? Your excuses are doing that. You know you can be healthier. You know you can be richer. You know you can be successful. You know all of these things, but you won't be, because you have given yourself an excuse that why you won't be working out today to get healthy, why you cannot eat better today because you want to start from tomorrow, why you can't work hard today because you want to start from tomorrow. So because you have given so many excuses to yourself for not doing what you should be doing and what you must be doing, you are doing nothing about it. And when you do nothing about things, that is when you become a failure. That is when exactly you become a failure. Failure in terms of money, failure in terms of health, failure in terms of all the aspects of your life. Your personal relationships, your professional relationships, your business, your finance, your money, your kids, your savings, your future, your present, your past. You are compromising everything because you did not, or you are not doing what you should do, or you are not doing what you must be doing. And that is giving your best, giving all that you have, being all in. You have infinite possibilities. You can do much more than what you are doing today. You just need to change your perspective. You just need to change how you look at life. If you are able to change how you look at life, your life would change. You just need to bring a change in your attitude. If you are able to shift your attitude, when a ship sails in the ocean and it has to reach to some point, a small change in degree of its direction, a small change of 1 or 2 or 3, 4 degrees would lead to a different destination completely. That is how your life is. A small change in the direction of your life, how you are living your life, would completely change where you reach in your life. Completely. A small change brought in every day would have a massive impact on where you reach when you reach. It would have a massive impact on where you reach when you reach. So do not wait for anybody. Do not wait for somebody to do something for you. And do not be ready to pay the price of failure. Do not be ready to pay the price of being unhealthy, because that price is really bad. That price is not a good thing for you, your family members, your loved ones, your society, nobody. That price is much more than something that can be paid in money. That price is much more than something that could be paid with those paper bills. So if you are going to not put in what you can today, you will have to pay the price. And that price is a bad situation to be in. You would have seen a lot of people around yourself who are paying the price today. So if we cannot learn from them, if we do not learn from them, then we are also going to put ourselves into that situation. But we can also learn from them and make sure that we do not do what they have done, and we can also learn from all the successful people and do what they have done. We have two types of people to take references from. One is the most successful person, and other is the most unsuccessful person in front of you. It is on you who you take your reference from, who you take the learning from, who you take the energy from, who is teaching you, who is training you, who is impacting your mind. If that unsuccessful person is impacting your mind, if you have a group of unsuccessful people around you, that is how you would become. So you need to figure out how you can be around that group of successful people, how you can network with those successful people, so that whatever they have in their mind, whatever positive energy that they have, whatever contacts, whatever resources, whatever power they have, comes to you as well. It is said that your network is your net worth. So do not let your net worth be low by keeping your network low. Always keep your network here. If you are here, keep your network here. And when you keep your network here, you will always be pushed to go to the next level, and you will be pulled to come to the top. You will never be pushed from the top to go down. Those people here will want you to come to them. If you are ready to give in, if you are ready to give all that you have, they will be more than happy to help you reach to them. But if you are not giving that effort, it would be seen. It is clearly visible. If you are not putting in all that you have to be successful, to be healthy, to be rich, then that group of successful people will not let you in, because as I say to you that your network is your net worth, even they know this, that their network is their net worth, and they will not want somebody with a very bad attitude towards life be a part of their network. So they will not want you to be a part of their network. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to get back to me, and I'll be happy to help you with your answer, with your questions. Until then, have a great day. Wish you all the very best from me, Savan Kumar. See you in the next video. Have a good day.